Let's go on a tour of a tiny house that you can actually rent. I stayed in this one. It is at the Casini Ranch Family Campground, the Russian River Valley in California. It's an Athens Park Model RV, technically. So you can see here when you first come in, we've got a full-size fridge. It's kind of neat. Full-size appliances in the kitchen here. They do have a thing that says you can't cook fish, which is funny. And this is totally stocked. Like, you can have all of the different items that you need in these different drawers. Everything's just on the smaller side in terms of the drawers themselves, but plenty of space to do some basic cooking. And you can see it's got a fairly tall ceiling. We got this little kitchen table here that's got some stools underneath, and then a TV mounted on the wall in the kitchen area. And as we come in here, this is actually a full-size table that folds out. So again, good use of the space. This is the heater and air conditioner over there, and then we've got a couch on the side that folds into a twin bed. So again, with most tiny houses, you're going to see dual uses of different spaces, like a table that's also folds out, or the twin bed there. Again, tall ceilings. We've got a ceiling fan up on the top, and this is sort of the main room. You can see the loft up there. So quite a steep staircase coming up to the loft, and this has some fairly low ceilings. So I definitely cannot stand up. I can't even really fully kneel in here. It's about a 3.5-foot ceiling on the side, about 4 feet in the middle, but it's plenty of room to have 2 beds up there. So pretty good use of that space up top. There's a little blind that you can pull across to cover, and that's a great spot for kids to sleep up there or kind of carefully come down. And that is, again, you can see almost like a ladder. It's a staircase. It's almost like a ladder. So come in here. We do have a full-size bathroom. Everything's not huge, but got a shower stall, little sink over here, and a mirror and lights, and then obviously the toilet over there behind me. The only challenge I would say is the hot water only lasts about 5 minutes. There's some kind of mystery switch over here. I don't know what it does. It just says don't flip it, or else it'll ruin the hot water, I guess. And then we come into the main bedroom in the back here. So again, about I think a full or queen, maybe it's a queen size, I think it's a full-size bed on here. And we've got some little side tables, another television, and a closet in there. So really all the space that you need, it's about 400 square feet in here. And this is a portable house. So it's installed kind of permanently, semi-permanently, but you could put the whole thing on a truck and drive it somewhere else. And if we pop out the front here, you can see there's a nice little porch. We've got some chairs and things, and you can see a couple other tiny houses next door. They've put some nice touches in the front yard, like a swing. And yeah, that's the tiny house.